In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix can't create account due to past account issues on YouTube. Let's get started. If you're seeing this message when trying to create a new channel or account, it usually means Google system have detected previous account violations, suspicious activity, or a connection to an account that was previously restricted or terminated. Make sure you are signed in with a legitimate Google account that is in good standing. If you have had a YouTube channel suspended or terminated in the past, creating another channel to bypass that restriction may trigger this error. Next, try signing out of all the Google accounts and then signing back in with only the account you want to use. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies or try creating the account using an incognito window or a different browser. If you're using a VPN proxy service or public network, disable it and switch to a trusted internet connection as YouTube may flag certain IP addresses for suspicious activity. Another helpful step is to verify your Google account by adding a recovery phone number and email address if you haven't already done so. You can also try using a different device to see whether the issue is related to your current browser or device settings. If the error continues, visit YouTube's Help Center and review any notifications or policy related messages associated with your Google account. In some cases, you may need to submit an appeal if you believe the restriction was applied by mistake. After trying these solutions, you should have a better chance of successfully creating your YouTube account or channel. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.